Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to sign out from Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go and open Amazon application on your device. Okay, after that, here you can click on the three line at the bottom right corner. After that, click settings option here. Okay, and then here you can type on sign out option. Okay, and then click once again to approve. Well, that's the tutorial on how to sign out from Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.